Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the ZT0456 here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So let's just quickly check what's in the box. You're gonna find a leaflet from ZT, of course. In this case, you see like a couple of standoffs because there's a backspacer installed here, and you're gonna notice right away that this is not a big knife. I mean, overall length of this guy is going to be 7.75 inches with a 4.5 inch long blade and a 3.5 inch long 4.5 inch long handle and 3.5 inch long blade. And this is designed by Dmitry Sinkevich, fantastic knife maker, and you can see why he's pretty good. This is a very, very good one, man. It's I really like it. It's a titanium frame lock made in USA, $260. The handle has like a fine stone wash finish to it. The blade is satin finish. Let me just wipe it off. You can see, yeah, it's pretty nice and shiny, and it's a pretty cool one, 100%. There's a little bit of, it's a little bit heavy, it's not that light, because this guy is gonna weigh in, let me check. There's no internal skeletonization, so it's a stout one, it's hefty. This is going to be 6.29 ounces, so not super light for a smaller knife like this, but it's still good. It's a nice titanium frame lock. It has all the bells and whistles. In this case, you got CTS 204P steel, absolutely cool against the corrosion. You want to use this in the kitchen, no problem. Nice titanium anodized pocket clip. You've got, of course, matching pivot with the backspacer. You've got some nice milling going on. This blade shape, oh, it's a beautiful ship's foot blade. There's a very, very gentle hollow grind going on over here. You have just a tiny bit of a hot spot right over here in the pocket clip. Action is just gorgeous, like really push button. It works like flawlessly. You can do light switch. Very, very good. The sound also is really nice, both when opening and when closing. So really, really cool indeed. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.